Hey guys, Omar here, and I'm doing some bird photography today. Anyway, I have the 27mm 2.8 and I'm just having fun working with one subject, one theme. I have the Fuji XT20 here and I am going to take pictures of the feeding of the chickens, practicing with focus modes. I'm using continuous, I'm practicing my manual. Just get out there and shoot and try different things. So here's a little fun on the farm. The other moral of this story is it doesn't matter that it's chickens. Look for light, look for composition, look for good photographs, no matter whatever, if the subject seems boring or not your usual subject. Find something interesting in the subject. All right, I'll see you guys next time.